Young man, come closer. Let me tell you something they don't teach you in school. Something they won't tell you in those cheap self-help books. Women, they don't just want money. They don't just want looks. No, they crave words. The right words, whispered at the right moment, can make her weak in the knees, loyal for life, and addicted to your presence. But most men, they don't know these words. They fumble, they beg, they chase, and they fail. Today, I reveal the 4 naughty things every woman loves to hear. Things that will make her see you differently. Whoosh. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're tired of being ignored, friend-zoned, or stuck in dead-end relationships, pay attention. This ancient wisdom is your cheat code. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's dive deep into the psychology of desire. Words are the most dangerous weapon a man can wield. Kings have started wars with them. Poets have seduced queens with them. And you will command attraction with them. Studies show that 92% of communication is tone and body language. Only 7% is the actual words. So, if you're saying the right things, but in the wrong way, you're already losing. Now, let's begin. The 4 naughty things women love to hear. I love the way you think, not just your looks. Most men compliment her body, but the smart ones, they compliment her mind. When you say, I love the way you think, you're telling her she's more than just a pretty face. You're igniting her intellect, and that is irresistible. This works because women are tired of being objectified. They want to be seen, understood. When you appreciate her mind, she'll appreciate you. You're trouble, and I like it. Women want to feel mysterious, dangerous. When you tell her you're trouble with a smirk, you're acknowledging her power and teasing her at the same time. It's flirty, it's fun, and it makes her want to live up to that reputation with you. This is the kind of tension that keeps her coming back for more. I can't stop thinking about you. But say it like this. Most men say this like beggars. But the right way. Lean in close, lower your voice, and say, I had to stop myself from texting you today. Then pause. Let her wonder. Let her crave your attention. This creates addiction. She'll start chasing you. You're different. And that scares me. This is the nuclear option. When you tell a woman she's different, you're saying she stands out from every other woman you've met. But when you add, and that scares me, you're showing vulnerability. That's the ultimate turn-on. How to use these phrases. Now, timing is everything. Say these too soon. You'll seem desperate. Too late, she's already bored. The key is to wait for the right moment, then strike. Want real power. Combine these phrases with strong eye contact, a calm voice, and unshakable confidence. Now go, and use these words wisely. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love our next one. 5 psychological tricks to make her obsessed with you. Dropping soon. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. And comment below, which phrase will you try first?